It's still running? That car's still?
Yeah, it still runs. The problem now is that the brakes are shot so bad that the wheel cylinders on the drum brakes in the back let go. So now when you press the pedal, it goes to the floor and all your liquid goes out on the floor.
I see.
So that has to get rebuilt. That's normal old car stuff. This car is from 1990.
Yeah. So it just needs, mechanical work.
And then the batteries, one of the batteries, shit the bed. It's done. So now we're on 11.
Oh, I see. You just removed it?
Yeah, I just took it out of the line.
But now they're going to get overcharged. Oh, but that's okay because it's lead acid. You get overcharged them.
Oh, right. Yeah. Well, they'll start to boil or whatever,
Yeah.
And, these batteries, like, we've rebuilt them and stuff. Like, they cracked and leaked out all their fluid, and then we resealed it and then re-put acid in.
Oh, wow. It's, that's crazy.